I
I
state your name. Do solemnly swear that I will maintain allegiance to the Republic of the Philippines. I will obey its laws and legal orders of the authorities therein. I will obey the rules and regulations of our brotherhood, the Knights of Metro Manila. I will abide by its principles and standards. I will do no falsehood, nor consent wrongdoing to my fellow brothers and sisters, and will conduct myself as a knight according to the best of my knowledge and discretion. I impose upon myself these voluntary obligations without expecting something in return, or purpose of using this brotherhood in my personal gain. So help me God.